Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. JD here, and this is Legacy Outdoors. In today's video, we're going to be going over a new piece of gear that I received. If you ever find yourself in need of hot water while camping or doing outdoor activities, check this video out. It's going to be one that you don't want to miss. The gear that I'm going to review today is the BougeRV Portable Propane Water Heater. And it'll give you hot water anywhere you need it on demand. So stay tuned. And let's get this thing unboxed and show you what it's all about. All right, so like I said, let's get this thing opened up and check out all the different contents that's packed in this box. I ordered this from BougeRV's site. It took a few days to get here, not long at all, probably 3 days, I think. So in the first box, it's got your cords on your hoses for the water intake. It's got a 12-volt power cord. This is the magnetic mount for the actual handheld shower head. There's your propane regulator. And then your cold water hose. And then let's see what's in here. This is your AC power brick. And the only other thing that's in there is the actual water heater itself. And like looking at it, it's actually smaller than I thought it was gonna be. So yeah, so that's it right there. It's got your propane piece on the back and got all your other connections right there on the front. And then you have your instruction manual. So yeah, so let's give me a minute and I will work to get all this set up, and then we'll show you what it's about. All right guys, now that I got it unboxed and everything out of the package, we're going to do a quicker look. So first up, you've got your water intake. It's got a pump on the end with a filter. You have your hot water out. This is a magnetic mount for the shower head. It can mount either through a screw or with the magnets on the back. You have your shower head right there. Then you have your 12-volt power cord, your 120 AC power cord, your propane regulator, your user manual, and then your hot water heater unit itself. So yeah, so let's get this thing hooked up and put it to the test. All right, so everything's color coded on this. For your pump, your intake, your water intake, it's got the blue cap, and then there's a blue and red valve down here. Literally just put the blue on there and it pops on, it snaps on. And then there's power for the pump. There's a little thing right here that says pump. You'll pop that out and then plug that in. And then for your outtake or your out hose with the nozzle on the end, it'll pop to the red and it just pops in like that. You have your AC power right here. I'm gonna hook that up because I did not charge this battery because I just unboxed it. So yeah, so that's in there. You screw on your regulator on the back and then your 1 pound propane into there. So we're gonna get that screwed on. I'm gonna get this plugged up and turned on and we'll go from there. All right, so we got it plugged in, we have it on, we have a bucket of water with the pump in there. There's the magnetic holder for the shower head. And again, the entire unit's smaller than what I initially thought it was gonna be. It's about 15.5 inches is the length, 12.5, and then 6.5 wide. So fairly small, even with the propane tank on the back, it's small. It can fit it just about anywhere. As you can tell right there, the battery's charging. It says it takes about 2 hours to get a full charge, and then after it's charged, it'll run times about 100 minutes. So that's pretty good for a standalone battery. You have your inlet temp here and your set outlet temp. You can set it up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty hot for a shower. I think the average shower is like 105 degrees. So we got it set to 102 right now. You have your on-off button here, and then you have your pump on-off there. There's a stop switch also on the pump, or not on the pump, on the shower head. That'll stop it as well. We can get it. Yeah, so you have your stop button right there. You just kind of push it, and then it'll shut the water off. You have 3 different settings. Think of it as like your rain, your jet, and then like somewhere in between. So you have those 3 settings as well. So yeah, like I said, we got the bucket of water. We're gonna get this thing turned on and see how she goes. All right, so now we got all set up. Let's try this thing out. We already turned it on. We're gonna hit the pump button. You'll hear the igniter ignite, and then the pump starts going. So once we press this, we should start squirting. There we go. And then you have that's your rain, that's your medium setting, and then there's your jet setting. And then you can stop it, and it'll shut the igniter off. And then when you want it again, just turn it on. It ignites again. It's already pretty warm. Oh yeah. It's pretty windy, so kind of shows the jet power and then that middle power. And it shows when the flames ignited, it shows a little flame on your screen over here, also with the shower head. So once you turn that off, that goes off and the flame goes away. So it shows that the igniter is off. And then you just turn it back on, it ignites again, easy. And then it's right back warm, like it never left off. So this is gonna be an awesome addition. Especially washing dishes, taking shower. No more field showers with those dude wipes or the dude shower wipes, which hey, if that's all you got, go for it. But how awesome will it be to have hot water at your site? I think it's gonna be awesome. So yeah guys, so that's gonna be the BougeRV Portable Propane Water Heater. I can't wait to try this thing out. It's gonna be an awesome addition to the setup. It's gonna pair well with the open road shower tent that I have. Can't wait to get out and actually try it out and use it. For washing dishes, gonna be great, especially when you're cold weather camping. Trying to wash dishes in cold weather is terrible on the hands. So this is gonna be an awesome addition. It's small, efficient. With the battery built in, like you could take it anywhere off grid, don't have to worry about using your power station. If that's an issue, don't have to worry about plugging into shore power. You can literally take this thing anywhere as long as you have some water, a water source, or bring some water with you, you'll be good to go. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments, just put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, have a couple more reviews coming out soon. So yeah, thanks for watching. God bless you, and we'll catch you next time.